Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to add someone to a Facebook ad account. First of all, you have to open Facebook Meta Business Suite and its link is business.facebook.com. And now make sure to select here your business account to work with. Once done, here scroll down and click on settings. Once you are in settings page, under users, click on people and now click on invite people. And now enter here the user email address whom you want to add to your Facebook ad account. And now click on next. Here scroll down and click on next. And click on the select business assets, and here you have to select the ad account where you want to add this user. So here I'm selecting my ad account. After selecting the ad account, and now here we can see my ad account has been added. Now click on this drop down next to add account, and here you can give partial access to the user. You can only give manage campaigns, or if you want to give full control to the user, just enable this full control option and click on next. And now you have to send invitation to the user, so click on that, and then invitation email will get the user. After accepting the invitation, the user will be added to your ad account. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.